In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add HTML code in WordPress step by step using the built-in block editor. This is perfect if you want to embed custom layouts, add external widgets, insert tracking codes, or use HTML snippets that aren't available as normal blocks. You don't need any plugins, and you don't need to touch theme files. If you follow along, you'll be able to add HTML safely to any WordPress page or post. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button if this helps you out, and subscribe to the channel for more easy WordPress tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. First, log into your WordPress website and go to your dashboard. This is the main control center where you manage pages, posts, and settings. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Pages if you're editing a page, or Posts if you're adding HTML to a blog post. In this example, we'll work with a page. After clicking Pages, you'll see a list of all the pages on your site. Find the page where you want to add your HTML code and click directly on the page title. This will open the page details. Next, click on the Edit button to open the page in the WordPress block editor, also known as the Gutenberg editor. This is where all your content blocks live. Now that the editor is open, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a blue plus icon. This is called the block inserter. Go ahead and click on that blue plus icon. When the block menu opens, you can either scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top. In the search bar, type Custom HTML. When you see the Custom HTML block appear, click on it to add it to your page. This block is specifically designed for adding raw HTML code. Once the Custom HTML block is added, you'll see an empty code box. This is where you paste or type your HTML code. You can add anything here, like divs, headings, embedded scripts, forms, or third-party widgets. Carefully paste your HTML into the box and double-check that your tags are properly opened and closed. If you want to preview how it looks, you can click the Preview option within the block to see how the HTML will render on the page. Take a moment to review everything and make sure it looks the way you expect. When you're happy with the result, go to the top right corner of the editor and click the Update button. This saves your changes and publishes the HTML code to your live website. Once the page updates, you've successfully added HTML code in WordPress. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to add custom HTML to any WordPress page using the block editor, without plugins or advanced setup. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more WordPress and website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.